Well, hello, my friend. Glad to be back again. It's been a while since I posted a video. Been doing a lot of fishing and whatnot this summer, and I thought, you know what, I better get back to doing a video on star notes. And today I have a pack of $10 bills. I think there's about 1,000 there. But anyway, let's look for some star notes and see what we can find. And right off the bat, not much there. These $10 bills, most of them are okay condition that I see so far. Of course, $10 bills, it is what it is. They are going to be mostly beat up, I guess. Pair of fives. Ran it. Oh, God, look at all the sixes there. They got the dreaded sixes. There's 4 of them. Holy cows. Oh, that's a heck of a note right there. So, I ran into a friend, or acquaintance I know, and he works in the mental health field. And, I was talking to him. Most people, you hear about PTSD and all these different, different things they come up with. Well, now the industry has come up with a new term, like PTSD, post-traumatic syndrome, whatever it is. But now they've come up with FOMO, FOMO. And this is a condition where people have the fear of missing out. Yes, that's a real thing that people are getting treated for. And I thought, you gotta be kidding me. That probably covers just about every person born in the USA. Or anywhere else for that matter. So just when you think you couldn't make something up, there you go. That's a new one right there. Oh, look at here, 3939. So, see what else we can come up with. Yeah, life has been pretty good for me. Just, doing the old summer thing. Working outside, doing a lot of fishing. Of course, lately, been windy and rainy. And I'm the warm weather fisherman type guy. I like going out when it's only nice and perfect conditions. I guess that's why I don't get to go out as much as I would like to. But the wind and the rain is not for me. And a pair of fives there. And so that's what keeps me from going out a little bit more than what I should be. So let me know what you think. The fear of missing out. Is that something that you think is a legitimate thing? That I guess they do that so you can bill the insurance companies for more different, I guess for lack of a better word, mental problems. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on that. It's the craziest thing I ever heard of. So anyway. So, pair of nines. Pair of eights there, not too much. Pair of fours. Look at all those sixes that were on that first bill. That was crazy. 2050. Okay, we got 1717, back-to-back 17s. I haven't done a lot of stacks of $10 bills. I haven't found a lot of star notes in them things. And I'm hoping to get something on this one. So we got a pair of sixes there. 3 fives. Wow. Actually, there's a 4th one on there, but not consecutive. Pair of fives. And here we go. Got one right up. Well, not right off the bat, but yeah. So, what do we have here? It's what are we? 2013. So it's an older bill. I mean, got over 12 years old. The bill itself is in, I would say, fairly not good condition. And, the borders are off a little bit. So the next thing to do is check for the rareness on that thing. Cool. We found one on a $10 bill. Very good. Like I said, I have never found a lot of them on 10. So cool. I'll keep right on it going. And not much there. One of the things I wanted to mention too is please do the subscribe thing. And subscribe, comment. I always look forward to hearing comments from people. Share. Do all that business if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. Pair of fours. Nothing else. We get to look through money, right? Eights. Looking for that almighty star note. All right. Yeah. So 90, 20 pair. Oh, look at that. You got the two pair of fours. Nothing too much on there though. Sevens and nines pairs with a 0 on both ends. All right. We got a pair on both ends there, so kind of a neat deal. Boy, some of these are really some ragged looking bills. This one here's been crumpled up and that one is in rough shape. Pair of nines, pair of fives. Yeah, very interesting. FOMO, the fear of missing out. And whenever I go fishing, I have the fear of missing out on the great big fish. So I think I might have to go see a psychiatrist, I think. Hey, look at there, look at there. Another star note. What do we got here? 2017A. It's kind of a same old thing, $10 bill, beat up. And of course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check on these guys and see what their rareness factor is on these guys. But this one for a $10 bill ain't really too bad a shape, to be honest with you. So, good. Another one to check out on. That's unbelievable. So, the rareness factor of me not getting 10s all the time, and here I get star notes and 10s. Now I got 2 of them in one stack, so cool. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pair of fives. We're almost to the end of the stack. See if we can't find another one. I kind of highly doubt it, but see if we can find some interesting numbers, if nothing else. So, and we are in the last bill. So, very good. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end. We got 2 star notes out of the deal. And thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.